In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to check your Uber Eats gift card balance. Let's dive right in and get started with the first step. First, open your preferred web browser. This could be Chrome, Safari, Firefox, or any other that you use. Once your browser is open, head over to the search bar. Type in the words Uber Eats and press enter. This will bring up a list of search results. Now you'll want to open the correct link. Look for the official Uber Eats website, which is typically one of the top results. It's important to select the right link to ensure you're accessing the legitimate site. This step is crucial to protect your personal information and ensure a smooth experience. Once you have the site open, you might be prompted to log in. If you see a login screen, go ahead and enter your credentials. Use your email or phone number and your password. Logging in is necessary because it connects your gift card to your specific account. This ensures that your balance is accurately reflected under your profile. After logging in, you should now be on the main page of Uber Eats. Look to the left sidebar for a menu icon. This icon usually looks like three horizontal lines. Click on this menu icon to reveal more options. These menus are designed to help you navigate through the site easily. From there, you'll want to click on the option labeled Wallet. Your wallet is where all your payment methods and gift cards are stored. Accessing the wallet is key because it's where you can check your gift card balance and manage your funds. Once you are in the wallet section, look for a button or link that says Plus Gift Card. Clicking this will direct you to the page where you can enter a new gift card code. This is a straightforward process, and the page is designed to guide you through it seamlessly. In the field provided, enter your gift card code. Make sure to type it carefully to avoid any errors. The code is usually a series of letters and numbers, and it's important to enter it exactly as it appears. This step is where your card is validated, ensuring that the balance is added to your account. Finally, click the Apply button. This action confirms the entry of your gift card code, and you will see a confirmation on the screen. Once applied, the balance from your gift card will be added to your account. You can then see your updated balance in the wallet section, giving you an accurate view of the amount available for your next order. And there you have it. You've successfully checked your Uber Eats gift card balance. Remember, these steps will help you manage your funds effectively and ensure you never miss out on using your gift cards. Thank you for watching, and happy ordering with Uber Eats.